Hey, today I'm going to see if I could clean my headlights with toothpaste. So I'm going to use some baking soda and some toothpaste, and I'm just going to mix them together. I am using baking soda because I want it to be a little bit more gritty, so when I am putting it on the headlights later, hopefully it'll get the scum off the headlights. So I'll just put a little bit of this baking soda in, and then I will just mix it together with my finger. And this should be good to go. So let's take this outside and see what we could do. All right, so now I'm going to start putting this on my headlight. I'm just going to start rubbing it on, putting a light layer on it. Once I coat this completely, I'm going to take a toothbrush and actually start scrubbing it a little bit more, see if I can get this film off of it. The reason why I'm doing this is because my lights at night, I could barely see them when I'm driving. So I wanted to just improve visibility, of course. So I saw this idea on the internet, and I was like, okay, well, let me give this a try. So let's see if this works. So I'm just going to rub it in, and now I'm going to go ahead and take a toothbrush so I could really start going at it. And I would assume the more I do this, the more I would get off. It seems to be cleaning it a little bit. It looks a little bit better. And, I mean, if I look at it, I mean, it's pretty dirty on there. So let's see. I'm going to keep rubbing this, and then after this, I'm going to take some warm water and start rubbing it off. So here we go. I'm going to start spraying some warm water. And I have one paper towel over here. Probably should have more. And gonna start rubbing this toothpaste off my headlight, and it looks pretty good. Not too bad. Just gonna get all of this off here. Spray it a little bit more. I don't want to have this toothpaste film on it. That's not gonna help me. And keep on rubbing it off. Well, I mean, I think it looks a lot better. Yeah, I'm going to need another paper towel. Alright, so that's the cleaned one. This is the dirty one. You can see that film still on it. You can see a big difference. Still have a little toothpaste residue. I got to wipe it off so it's clean, but I mean, overall, I think it looks really good. I think this is a really affordable, cheap way you could clean your headlights if you're not looking to spend $10, $15 on headlight cleaner. Yep, looks pretty good. Cool. Well, there you go.